This is visual encryption project. We have enhanced technique for authentication purpose. I can show you database. Just wait for some time. I got some another issue. Okay, so you can check here that we don't have any database for this visual encryption project. We have what we have to do. I will explain you the basic concept of this project with code explanation. Say I will first tell you the project architecture. You can see here in web content we have .jsp files, we have .html file, and in web-inf we have library files. So this library file are used for project purpose. So whenever you have something, some password, wait, I'll tell you this. In this paper it's mentioned that you have to create first share of the your password, admin, user and password. So first let me tell you. So you have to create a original image 0129. From this you have to create a first shared image, and then second share image at the time of login will be created. That will be overlapped, and after that it will get checked with the system. So 0129 and tesseract OCR will be applied. Then we can detect what exactly password, and that entered password with this password is getting matched. So you can check here, whenever you start login or registration, you have to run index.jsp. In index.jsp we have written that you have to go to register servlet with the method post with this parameter: first name text, last name text, username, password, address, contact number, and submit it. So when you run it, it will show you the web page, and after that submission, so you can see here I am now going to write some xyz query. So Ramesh will be name, last name I am entering as a Ramesh, username Ramesh, password Ramesh, address Ramesh, contact, anything you can enter, it's not mandatory. So now you can see a first share of directory created with the name. So in this code it will go to register servlet. You can see here in register servlet. So after from request.get parameter it will get a first name, last name, username, password, address. So whenever user get this, so you will get a path of user, till path of user you will get a first name of user, and from that we are creating directory of it. So when file.make mkdir will take care of that. So but directory will be made by this code. After this we are applying a visual encrypt formula, in which we are passing this path, so that, and seed of user is a constant that user is entering. If seed of user is a wrong file, visual encryption second share will generated, first share will generated, and that overlap will not give anything, any output. So in this seed of user is passed, we are creating a image file with the name as shown here. In this is original image will created by this code, and after that we are passing it for creating a first share of a image will be made by this scripting dot generate key. So here key seed of user is passed here. You can check here, it's in bytes. Byte array is passed with a string by changing string to get bytes. Then this will generated, this generates particular image, and we are returning buffer image here. So after returning here, you can check here, we are downloading the same code to here also. So we are downloading and we are keeping it in a download folder. So you can check it here also, first share. See, 152, just now 152. So you can see from first share you can't disclose anything. See, I am maximizing it, you can't see anything written there. So after this, the second share will generated at the login time. So if you want to log in, you have to log in. I am writing here Ramesh, username Ramesh, password Ramesh. After submitting, so in login, check this login.jsp. So here Ramesh and password will be recognized, so it's a success. After this you can check in download, second share will generated. Now with the help of persistence of user, you can check whether see, when I am rotating it, you can check here that this file is giving something, some words are display while clicking on it simultaneously. See, Ramesh. So by this you can verify also, and system is also verifying it with Tesseract OCR. Tesseract is deployed at the time of login.jsp. Create and second share. Create second share will be called. So create second share will get here. Username password will be provided here, and then that matching will done on a seed of user is generated. First share is generated again, then second share will be, first share is generated but it's on a user side, not on a server side having the same share that we have done at the registration time. So this will generate an image with second share, and that second share will be overlap with that system. So you can check it here, checking downloading stream encrypt image. Wait, this is going to check.jsp and not login.jsp. So check.jsp have check second share servlet. So in check second share servlet we have first name, username, password. So src image will generate name of image, then second share will generate this image, and text image will generated. First share will generated with this code, then for second share will be generated. See here, second share will be generated through this line. Here we are passing encrypt image, so encrypt image will generate second share from here. So when we are overlapping second share and first share, that is first share kept on a server side. So when overlay will be done, so DNC or decrypt will decrypt the file and will generate a output and overlay image. I will show you what exactly in output or overlay image. Output image will be like this, overlay image will be like this. See here. So from reading this output image, Tesseract OCR will generate. See here, test message of image. So Tesseract OCR is reading through CMD Tesseract. We have to set up this. So after this it will generate out.txt file. So you can see out.txt file. Inside that we have written whatever we are visualizing in output.